The ketogenic diet has become quite popular recently. Studies have found that this very low-carb, high-fat diet is effective for weight loss, diabetes and epilepsy. There's also early evidence to show that it may be beneficial for certain cancers, Alzheimer's disease and other diseases, too. A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Here are 16 healthy foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. 1. Seafood. Many types of seafood are carb-free or very low in carbs. Fish and shellfish are also good sources of vitamins, minerals and omega-3s. 2. Low-carb vegetables. The net carbs in non-starchy vegetables range from 1 to 8 grams per cup. Vegetables are nutritious, versatile and may help reduce the risk of disease. 3. Cheese. Cheese is rich in protein, calcium and beneficial fatty acids, yet contains a minimal amount of carbs. 4. Avocados. Avocados contain 2 grams of net carbs per serving and are high in fiber and several nutrients, including potassium. In addition, they may improve heart health markers. 5. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry do not contain carbs and are rich in high-quality protein and several nutrients. Grass-fed meat is the healthiest choice. 6. Eggs. Eggs contain less than 1 gram of carbs each and can help keep you full for hours. They're also high in several nutrients and may help protect eye and heart health. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which can increase ketone production. In addition, it may increase metabolic rate and promote the loss of weight and belly fat. 8. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Both plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese contain 5 grams of carbs per serving. Studies have shown that they help reduce appetite and promote fullness. 9. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's ideal for salad dressings, mayonnaise and adding to cooked foods. 10. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are heart-healthy, high in fiber and may lead to healthier aging. They provide 0 to 8 grams of net carbs per ounce. Here are the carb counts for 1 ounce, 28 grams, of some popular nuts and seeds. Almonds, 3 grams net carbs, 6 grams total carbs. Brazil nuts, 1 gram net carbs, 3 grams total carbs. Cashews, 8 grams net carbs, 9 grams total carbs. Macadamia nuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pecans, 1 gram net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pistachios, 5 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Walnuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Chia seeds, 1 gram net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Flax seeds, 0 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Pumpkin seeds, 4 grams net carbs, 5 grams total carbs. Sesame seeds, 3 grams net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. 11. Berries. Berries are rich in nutrients that may reduce the risk of disease. They provide 5 to 12 grams of net carbs per 3.5 ounce serving. Here are the carb counts for 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of some berries. Blackberries, 5 grams net carbs, 10 grams total carbs. Blueberries, 12 grams net carbs, 14 grams total carbs. Raspberries, 6 grams net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Strawberries, 6 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. 12. Butter and cream. Butter and cream are nearly carb-free and appear to have neutral or beneficial effects on heart health, when consumed in moderation. 13. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles contain less than 1 gram of carbs per serving. Their viscous fiber helps slow down the movement of food through your digestive tract, which promotes fullness and stable blood sugar levels. 14. Olives. Olives are rich in antioxidants that may help protect heart and bone health. They contain 1 gram of net carbs per ounce. 15. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Unsweetened coffee and tea contain no carbs and can help boost your metabolic rate, as well as physical and mental performance. They can also reduce your risk of diabetes. 16. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate contains 3 to 10 grams of net carbs per ounce, is high in antioxidants and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. A ketogenic diet can be used to achieve weight loss, blood sugar control and other health-related goals. Fortunately, it can include a wide variety of nutritious, tasty and versatile foods that allow you to remain within your daily carb range. To reap all the health benefits of a ketogenic diet, consume these 16 foods on a regular basis. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more health and fitness tips.